going to start a new playlist where I use Servlet JSP, and this site is very responsive, where I upload the images direct in the database as a form of blob. So there is no need to upload image in direct to your project. So as if you want to make a medium or a blogging site, then you can save your image direct in Mysql database. Here you can check this site is very responsive, and I'm using Bootstrap 4. So first the user can register himself, and here I also write some validation checks for login. So first user registered in database, and you can check here the success message is displayed, and after registration user login by writing his credential and submit. If the credential is wrong, then alert message be shown, and after if user write correct username and password, they will redirect to the dashboard page. Here I see here I also use a Ajax response. So I can how you can use Ajax in Servlet. There you can check the profile or user profile, and this is also responsive. And if you click on that section, here password is masked. So in this project I will show some concept in Servlet or Java, and here user can add programming details. These details as shown according to the user. If login user add these details, so only logged in users detail are shown in this area. If I give all these details like programming name, founder, all these things, here I used all the input forms like checkbox, radio button, text area, date. So you can get all the concepts how these fields can be saved, and if a user want to edit, then how you can show these detail as pre-filled. So these are the concept where I can cover, and if the user can direct navigate to user list, here they can check the details of listed programming. Here I make some helper functions in Java, so you can direct call in Servlet or JSP as according to you. So main purpose of this project is cover the details related to Servlet JSP, and this is the small section of existing project where I use the Ajax for search by the heading name. If I can show this example, if I write ALI, then only matching details are shown. If user want to save image, then they can easily save the image by filling these details, and yeah, you can check this. If I click last detail, here the here the details show to the user which user has to add the image. And if here I write functionalities related to how to download image, you can delete also. and this is fully responsive. Last user can log out.